What's up, it's her, what's the word? Back with another video. All right, so you wanna learn how to create a YouTube channel. It's 2021, it's almost 2022, and you like, damn man, like time just flying by. You know, you trying to have a new year, new me, whatever you trying to have, and you know, you gotta do something different. So you gotta make videos, you gotta create that YouTube channel. You know, it's time to start something new. You feel me? So I'm really not too successful, as y'all can see my little small subscribers at the bottom, but I'm trying to help you succeed with me. I'm bored. I'm trying to help you. We need to team up or something, you know? So I'm finna teach you how to make a YouTube channel, not a successful YouTube channel, because I still don't know. But as far as, the regular, as far as the regular stuff go, I'm finna teach you how to make a YouTube channel. Let's get started. Okay, so first you need a Google account. You probably watching YouTube videos without a Google account. If you don't know if you had a Google account, you probably accidentally made a Google account. So Google is with YouTube. So to even start making videos, you need that Google account. It's gonna have your name, your email, put in your birthday won't show, but you need that. You know how to create an account. So first and foremost, before you even upload videos, you need the Google account. Okay, so second, you need a profile picture and a background picture. I'm gonna show y'all how the background and profile picture look. You need that attractive picture. The attractive picture probably sitting in your gallery somewhere and you don't even know it. Unless you just want to take a picture and be like, do something creative. So that way, my profile picture probably not that creative, but I like my background. I like the little wheel thing in the background, the little Ferris wheel. So once people see that, be like, dang, I like the background. I'm gonna click that on, though. Y'all clicked on this video, so y'all must like it. Y'all must like my profile picture. So, just find the attractive, so when the audience see that, like, dang, I like the profile picture. It look like he a fun guy. Click. There you go. That's one view right there. There you go. Number 3. Okay, usually when they click on your video, they won't see the description on your profile picture, but you still want a description just in case somebody like your video and say, okay, I want to learn more about this channel. Let me see what this channel about. Some people will probably be into descriptions to see what they, videos about, and they might look at the description and be like, oh, nah, I don't want to subscribe to him. He ain't telling me what he about. Or sometimes they'll just look at your videos and know what you're about. But I would still put a description saying what you do, why you making the videos, or any of that. Y'all can go check out my description. Y'all can be the judge of my description. But I tell them I make vlogs and all this. I do different things, So if you want to tell them, I climb up buildings and jump off, the top of the roof, tell them that, Go ahead and tell them. Don't do that though. Please don't do that. But go ahead and tell them what you do. So that's it. Number 3. 4, it's time to film that video, man. Nah, don't get nervous now. It's time to film. Trying to make that YouTube channel. You can't make a YouTube channel and trying to upload without video. You can't upload without video. So go ahead and make that video. It don't matter if you ready or not. You will learn as you go. Just keep on making videos. Just learn as you go. Don't just upload videos of you talking on the phone all day to your girl and stuff like. Nah, you already know that. You know not to do that. I already tell you, but you just gotta jump in the fire. You just gotta jump in the fire, and you gotta learn how to get out the fire. I don't know, but just learn as you go. Don't wait for that perfect time. That's all I'm saying. Number 5, you gotta find an editing app, and I would say get an editing app that's comfortable for you. Sometimes I would look up the best editing apps, but a lot of them it's on the computer. I do not like editing on the computer. That's too much time. And don't even listen to what I say. I like to edit on my phone using iMovie's app. iMovie app, it is not on Android. I believe it's just an iPhone thing. Me personally, don't listen to what I say. That's just my opinion. Everybody else on YouTube, that's everybody else's opinion on what's the top editing apps. That might not be the top editing apps for you. So me personally, I do not like editing on the computer. I like doing everything, it's quick on the phone. So this video wasn't perfect. I promise you this video wasn't perfect. Y'all can see all the cutscenes. I probably was stuttering. Y'all ain't gonna see that, because I'm editing my app. You feel me? I'm editing in the app. Okay, so I would say number 6, create a creative thumbnail. So this video gonna have a whole bunch of competition. Everybody finna be, you know, making videos on how to create, or they already, you know, the video is already up. Everybody finna have a YouTube video that say, learn how to create a YouTube video, learn how to create a video, and they gonna go with the best cover. So whichever cover, you know, that's the thumbnail, whichever cover look the best, they gonna click on it. So as y'all can see, I got my YouTube logo. That's what I plan on doing. So when y'all click on this video, y'all might see a YouTube logo. Y'all might see a YouTube logo that, you know, bring y'all to this, you know, bring y'all to this video. So if y'all clicked on it, y'all must have liked my title. Y'all must have like, you know, the thumbnail, anything. You know, I'm trying to bring in audience. So, you know, I gotta come with a catchy thumbnail. And number 7, it's relatable because it's the title. So create a catchy title. So if I say, for instance, you know, I don't have it, but if I say, learn how to create a YouTube channel and grow your YouTube channel to 100K subs, I don't have 100K subs, but I'm gonna get there, you know. So if somebody's trying to grow their channel to 100K subs, they'll be like, oh dang, I wanna do that. You know, I can learn how to create a YouTube channel and get my channel to 100K subs. Click. That's another view right there. Thumbnail and title, you know, it's in the same thing, same category. So make sure they both catchy, creative, whatever. You know, have them clicking on your, you know, have them clicking on your video, and boom, you're gonna be at 100K subs soon. Number 8. So you have your video ready to upload, and you ready to upload the video. It's gonna tell you make a title, do the description, whatever your video about, do the description. They'll be able to see the description of what this video about, which a lot of people probably don't look at it, you know, your description, you know, when they click on your video. But before you upload your video, you want to make sure you put tags on it. So tags is like, you know, when you upload pictures and you put hashtags, you know, so tags gonna be like that. You want to make sure you put tags that's related, you know, to the video. So if I put this video, YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel, I'm a tag it, start a YouTube channel, tag YouTube, how to make a YouTube, you know, I'm gonna put tags like that. So the more relatable tags you put on your video, the higher it will be when somebody search a video, and your video might be the first one that pop up, you know. So you want to make sure tags is real important. You want to make sure you get them relatable tags, put the right tags, because if you put the wrong tags on the video, it most likely won't show up, you know, when YouTube try to recommend and things like that. Most likely won't show up if you don't got relatable tags. But number 9, y'all ready? It's time to upload the video. Congrats, you're a YouTuber. I knew you had it in you. 2022, you're a YouTuber. Who would have thought? They finna be hating on you. All right, so that's all I have for y'all. After y'all follow them 9 steps and continue to upload video, you know, you're officially a YouTuber. You know, who would have thought 2022 is yours. Take over. Go ahead and pass me up. Go ahead and do things so I can go ahead and learn from you. And hopefully, you know, after this, y'all can team up with me so we can go ahead and make videos, you know, YouTuber to YouTuber. So that's about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Heard the word is out of here.